Hi, this is Colette from gonorthyarnworks, and today I want to show you how to work the invisible join that's necessary for the Artemisia beanie and cowl. This is the beanie right here, and if we flip it over, you can see that the join, which follows this seam right here, is actually pretty hidden. It works well with this combination of stitches and makes a nice neat seam on the inside. This is the cowl. This is still a working piece right here. But take a look at how nice and neat this seam on the inside of the cowl looks using this method. Let me show you how to do it. I have a beanie right here in the works, and I have just finished my first round in my contrasting color. So what I'm going to do is actually pull up a little bit on this loop and drop it off my hook. Now I'm going to go to the first two stitches in the round. This is the first stitch, and this is the second. I'm going to insert my hook from back to front through the second stitch in the round. And all I'm going to do is hook that loop that I dropped and pull it on through. So we untangle our yarn, and then everything needs a good tug. So pull that color that you were just working with nice and tight, and then frequently you'll see there's almost like a little bubble of the other color. So go ahead and give that a tug nice and tight, and then you'll continue working your beanie or your cowl. So chain with your other color and begin the next round as written. You can see on the inside we're already working on a nice neat seam there, and that will look a little better once we sew our ends in and have it, extend to the top of the hat. But that is the invisible join.